This is Teacher Ems, your teacher to the rescue. And today, we're gonna have fun learning together. But before that, let's sing our alphabet song together. Are you ready? Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we learn this song, you'll see. Ready to read, then we will be. Alligator, bear, cat, and dog. Elephant, fox, goat, and hippo. Iguana, dog. Koala, lion, monkey, nest, otter, pig, queen, and rabbit, seal, and turtle, umbrella, van, wolf, whale, and telephone, yo-yo, zebra. It was fun and now we're done. It's great indeed. Now it's time to read. Always remember, kids, recognizing the letter, knowing the sound, and learning how to write the letters are the road to literacy. This time, kids, are you ready to look for the mystery letter? What is the letter? Let's sing. What is the letter today? What is the letter today? What is the letter today? The letter is, drum roll please. It's letter F. Before we know more about letter F, let's have our story first. Let's sing. Let us have a story time, story time, story time. Let us have a story time with Teacher Ems.
One Frog with Five Flies by Elisa Liang. 5 fish swim in the lake. 5 flies fly by. 5 fish smile at the flies. 5 flowers float on the lake. 1 frog sits on a flower. The frog jumps 5 times and catches the 5 flies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
In our story, kids, fish, fly, flower, frog, and 5, what letter do they start? Good job! It's letter F. Our lesson for today, kids, is letter F. And what is the sound of the letter F? The sound of the letter F is F. F. Can you say it again? F. F. Now, I want you to do it on your own. F. F. Great job! Now, this is the uppercase F and the lowercase f. But you can call them Mommy F and Baby F. Again, uppercase F or Mommy F and lowercase f or Baby F.
Now let's trace the uppercase F. 1, 2, 3. How about the lowercase f? 1, 2.
We're done watching how to trace the letter F. This time, we're going to write them on the board. Let's start. Let's write the uppercase F first. 1, 2, 3. How about the lowercase f? 1, 2. This is the uppercase F and the lowercase f. Let's look at the things around us that starts with letter F. Let's start. 4. Farmer. Flower. Fire truck. Fish. 5. Frog. Family. Activity time! Don't forget to check the description box below for the free template. Once you're done with your work, please upload and tag me on Instagram and Facebook. Our first activity is This is my Letterbook F. Don't forget to leave your name here. We have things that start with letter F. You may color the pictures. We also have color the uppercase F to get through the maze. The same with this one, it's the lowercase f. Next is I spy the letter uppercase F. You may use a dot marker or color the circles with the correct letter. And this one is spy the letter lowercase f. Next, rainbow ride. Use your crayons to trace the letter. The same with the lowercase f or the rainbow ride F. Dot the letter. Use a dot marker to fill in the letter. And this is for lowercase letter F. We also have roll and write. You may roll the die and trace a letter on the matching line. Finally, color and read. You may color the pictures and read the sentences. Our last activity is letter F graph. This is what we're going to copy. Let's start. That's all for today's video. Hope you learned something from Teacher Ems and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!